What class were you in?
Cinematography.
What was your worst moment in cinematography? Worst moment?
Okay, when I was trying to fix the tripod when I was trying to fix the camera on the tripod, and when they shouted "Hey!" because of the sound it made.
So whether your customer wants that length or not, you need it for yourself. So you always take that. So from waist to not don't waist to.
Thank you, good to meet you.
So I've taken them some classes on cinematography. And I strongly believe that to learn anything, you really have to practice more. No matter how much you try to learn and study about it, you cannot beat the results you will get from practicing.
So I was like, okay, I've spoiled something. I was so scared. Then I left the class. That was my worst moment.
Good. Cover it back, cover the place. Lens. No. Make sure you have a tight grip on the camera and on the lens separately. Keep it here. That's not because when you picked it.
So your best moments?
Was when I learned how to fix a camera.
Clap for her.